Hi guys, here we are at the Terra Nostra Garden Hotel, which is located in Furnas on São Miguel Island in the Azores. I want to show you around our room. We have a garden view room with a balcony with a king bed, and you can check it out. So here we are in room 312 on the 3rd floor, and I really love the view from our room. When you come in, of course, you have the bathroom here and a closet here. And in the closet, you'll find extra pillows, the cushions for the chairs outside on your balcony, a safe and some storage, as well as slippers that you can use. Out here we have a luggage rack. And we got a nice king bed, flat screen, some more storage shelves. And then down in here you have your mini bar, which you could use the fridge. But if you do take any of their things, you will be charged. Recycling and garbage center. You have your coffee and tea station. So you have an espresso, daily water, and your tea. That's out here on the desk area. And then out here is the best part. You have the balcony with a fantastic view of the garden. And now let me take you into the bathroom area and show you what we have over there. So over here in the bathroom, we have a shower tub combo with a rain shower head. And here we have hair and body shower gel combinations. So if you don't like that, you may want to think about bringing your own shampoo. And then this is a hair conditioner with a towel warmer. And then on the sink area, we have a makeup mirror, hand wash, hand and body lotion, some cups. What do we have here? Some tissues that you can take to go, vanity set, shower cap, tissues, outlet by the sink. And then here's the toilet area, as well as 2 robes that you can use while you're here, which you can use to go down to the pool or to the hot springs and borrow them for your stay. So guys, let me know what you think. This hotel is in a really nice, quiet area in São Miguel. It's not in the main city, but it is still walking distance to a little town, so you could still do restaurants or a nice bakery. And they do have breakfast included as the hotel as well, and a wellness spa, so you could do massages and things like that. I think it would be really nice for your stay here. And if you don't mind, give this video a thumbs up, hit that like button, subscribe, and see you soon. Thanks.